took the chair, baby?
I take the chair, mommy. Please. It has my hammer.
Your stomach hurt?
I was the
It's okay, love. Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. So on today's video we are doing laundry. I'm just sharing with you guys a hint of my day. This is my weekly laundry routine, which I choose to do it. It's either Wednesday or Thursday. Then I usually finish it on Friday, one load usually on Friday, because then I can wash with the uniforms. Yeah, so I hope you'll get some motivation by watching this video. On this week I was using OMO. I must say I'm not a big fan of these OMO pods, comparing to the Ariel one, which the smell of the clothes when they come out from the machine, they smell so good. And on this week also I was trying this Vanish, it's an instant stain remover. You just spray it and you just leave it maybe for 5 minutes and you will see already the stain is being removed the same time. How I got to see that, I was actually just finished ironing my laundry and I was putting it in the wardrobe, and my son came with a red hand. He was eating strawberries, and he happened to touch one of my daughter's hoodie, which is white, and I took this stain remover and I sprayed at the same time, and to my surprise it was like I wash it again. All the red marks of the strawberries would disappear at the same time. So I'm really loving it. You must give it a try. You know, this Vanish products, they for me, as much as they are a bit on the prices at, but they actually do last, because it's something that you use, like it's not like soap. Yeah, I don't know, that's just how I take it. I hope guys you will get motivation by watching this video. I did wash on this day, I think it was about 5 loads, but then I had to go to the doctor to do my yearly checkup. Last year I did it in February, so this year I decided, okay, because I did have time, I said, okay, let me make an appointment early while I still remember and go do my yearly woman checkup and some tests, and just to keep up with everything about my health and make sure that everything is okay. I mean, they say prevention is better than cure, so I do advise you ladies, if you one of the ladies that usually forget that part, is very important, because if there's a problem, then the doctors get to find it early than for you like to only find it when it's like on the worst stage. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So here I was just quickly still in my PJs, guys, wake up early, which was not an ideal time to start my washing. I was supposed to have started earlier than the time I started. Then I was preparing to bath and go to the doctor. I'm always late. I think here it was 9:30 or 9:15 going to bath. My appointment was at 10 o'clock, and like they know me now. So I quickly just want to thank all my new subscribers and my old subscribers, all of you guys, and whoever passed by just to watch and don't subscribe. I don't know what's the reason for you not subscribing, but you know what, thank you so much for coming in and watching this video. I appreciate you all, and to all the good things in this year. I know this is not the first video that I'll be uploading, but I haven't wished you guys the best year ever. May just God make it easy for all of us this year, and to all the wins, to all the wins, to all the wins.
Even if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, hold up.
heading to the doctor now. I didn't even get time to eat, so I just took that slice of bread and I would be eating in the car, and I was so impatiently waiting on the stop signs, on the robots, and I'm like, really, like the cars have to pass. It's exactly 10 o'clock. I'm still not by the doctor yet, and then the robot again red. Like I'm telling you, when you are late, this is what happens. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be just washing, and I won't be folding on this video, as you know, if I go out of the house, even if it's just for like 10 minutes, I go out of the house, somehow my day is just ruined when it comes to my housework. Yeah, so that's what happened here. So I couldn't finish everything, but I was able to do 5 loads of laundry. Probably one of the next videos I will be folding. Okay guys, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to share my videos, and if you like what I'm sharing right now with you guys, don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye. See you on my next upload. Please, Kokomo.
Life is a winding road. We'll tell you where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. So I met you, I was feeling lost. And you're the one who can make it go away.
Hey baby, how are you? Please, don't play with my scarf.
It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no